Hi, my name is Michael. I'll give you the progress update on our project. So as you can see, this is the charging and telemetry card, and why don't we go through the whole functionality stuff. So I start by plugging the whole card in the power, so we get some power. I'll switch on the light. You can see we have nice backlight here. Intel NUC is right here. I will start it up and we'll give it a few seconds to boot up. In the meantime, another important part, as I show you here, is this little computer. This is the part which goes to the car. As you can see, there's no race car yet. The car is right here. You can see the chassis. It's being built, but at least we can test it with this little computer. So I'm going to power it up. Also, it will need a few seconds to boot up. And in the meantime, I'll walk you through what we have here. So this is the car computer, the ECU essentially, that will be sending data to Intel NUC. Here we have a big display. I will log us in so we can start. And then down here you can notice there's a charger for the batteries, and then we have these two big batteries that go inside the electric car. Together it's around 200 volts and around 6 kilowatt hours. So they are pretty beefy. You can notice the heatsink on the charger. And so what we had to do was to get a utility card, which we extended with our metal platform, so it's higher and more comfortable for work. Now in the meantime, I can connect Intel to a network, and I will start up the telemetry session. It's essentially a web page which is a web server running on this computer. So once I get the right address, it takes take a second, I'll be able to show you data we're getting out. We put some LEDs on the bottom as a backlight. We have power supply for the LEDs. And the interesting part is we have USB controlled relay, so we can control the charger from the computer, which is rather new. Okay, so I finally got the internet connection. We will start to clean up the inside a little bit, but you have the general idea of what is going on. Once the car is finished, we can connect remotely to the car and see, what's the voltage on the batteries, how fast we're going, and so on. And if we connect the charger in, we will know how much charge we have left and how long we'll be charging. If you come here, you will see this is what we're getting from the computer. Those are the data we recorded on an actual race. So you can see the dials. We have current changing, torque, the voltage is going up and down, so does RPM. And so essentially, in a real situation, we will be getting these data as the car moves around the track. We can also monitor temperature of the motors of the cells and the voltage on the cells. So basically, we know what's going on as we're driving around, and we will also know when the charging is finished. So I think this is a good short overview. So you should have ideas what we've done so far. And we will be looking forward for seeing you at the final presentation. Thank you.